Where the Busiafo and the Pemichi Bibia, opening Kufia Ponsa, Sekra Kra, opening Kufia Ponsa Michia, Eric Amoa, David Amoa, opening Moshi, and the pay black Niauda, Michio Bibia, and a pay more supporting movement, Michiamina, Mohamed Musika Bois, Mohamed Mahmoud, Mamoshe videos in Baden come, I think Mamma did that, so I think you know, any boosting, and then per se, match, the points, point Biba. Master we are seeing especially Africans and Ghanaians. Miss Robibia, yet your crew and our brothel a buy a number my book. Say young coupon Abeoba with Israel into the enemy. What was your main no window, every hour and can't operate. Intended Miss Reminia Christo Nibiala, Miss Reminia Sophobia, Miss Reminia Malambiala, Miss Reminia Cremonibiala. Miss Reminia Omusia Judaism, Omusia Judaism. Miss Remina said, Jaya Ghana for what can Ghana woman in Pabaku? A religion in a better chamber. Inti say, no cry say, religious books in a young couple sama. Religious books in a better with different concepts. There were Christianity with different concepts, there were Islamic. With different concepts, na yawo Judaism with different concepts. It is a yankopon ma a gain and yankopon baako. We as for in Obama a son awodo mensa ni na ya so makwa yankopon chan. To me ya possible. Baako na be no kre ye mienu. Ba me ba kira say ni na bia ya no kre. Ni na o ma de badadan. Nti wo ye mu nyama alama mesrewo. One saka video na and the memo boom frame na yantamasi na book no mo de buy no yanhwem we are sofo amesrew one saka video na enye bufu frame na yantamasi na book no yanhwem me ba be prove beyond any reasonable doubt say the religious books Old Testament, New Testament and the Quran were invented. Me ba start here Old Testament and then about first you have the New Testament at waso na me the Quran at ato maybe you know we won't say all the books were invented. Shadi. The whole world, which there? Who said the whole world? Omo started Yamesom, Yamin, Yankopo Bakope, AG4, Omo started, say Yankopo Bakope. Until before you be Bible, no, you are supposed now, Ubia one Yamia awesome. You are supposed to Ubia one Yamia awesome, Ubia one Yamia awesome. But you for the or my and say a book, Namibacha with secret to be. Jew for an assassin on what is on your friend Upper Egypt. And ye Jew for assassin, and ye Israel for assassin. We are saying Yankopon on assassin, Ghana assassin, ye bend for the Omubro Mujini, Ekonkonen, no more J assassin to war, Alexander the Great assassin of Concaye, Babylon, Nebuchadnezzar and so Concaina, a assassin, Omubro Mujini, a Conca assassin no more two. What was I what is this? I want an annum, and a queen jazz assassin to a man, and I was it's Yankopon on assassin. So would teach him now? Catch him say Yankopon Massassia, Majatu, Yankopon Massassi. Inti Yankopon Massassia. I didn't 1 million in Assassi, no my Israel form Assassi, no more some sort of monsom. Until study Bible now. Yankopon catch it, Yankopon catch Israel for say, Monkai say, no more ye unqua, or no more by a pam Exodus chapter 19, or catch almost say, oh no, oya yanko, mama monsu yanko po bia nka no. Exodus chapter 20, commandment no. Osimo munya yamfuro bia nka me ho. Na mon kai say me yanko pon, ena me bayi mu free Egypt, Misrim asase so. Na madam Abraham ne mo be covenant. Nti ono mo be covenant because ono no koyi omu free promised land. Omu koyi free Egypt. Na odo mo ko promised land no so. Na mpa chaw. Say yanko po koyi Israel for no free Egypt. Na odo mo ko promised land a. Eya nan ye. Eye nti Yankopon no koyi omo no na wa mo mahye se omundu so yan yankoa wo Britain for ase no enye Yankopon bia na ebe yi eye ye beni for kwa no nkroma mo the big sis efrimamu mo ba efrimamu the big sis nana adodankwa akuaje ye friend say kwa me nkroma ene obeche bilam temu no omoku nkoden ekoden no omode je Ghana esi wo a endame no mienu yetini na nti say Israel for no Nyankopon ko yo anwade a yese Nyankopon ye ma Israel for o pipum o mo fem instruct o ma no wa command na Moses didua bo abotan mu na nsu aba na o ma no na omu sufre aduane pe na Nyankopon ato mana mpacho 83 ekom si Ghana mpacho mu say Nyankopon to ti bread ba kokora ma Ghana ni bi manidi inti say Nyankopon bi wo a oboa Israel for na and the Israel for no mo so no me no mo ni problem so mo no mo say Nyankopon amama asase ni wo yo mo nti mo so mo Nyankopon me no mo ni problem inti omu book na friend Old Testament no she said it Old Testament no omo friend Tanakh in Israel omo book friend Tanakh both Old Testament no kwa Old Testament no kwa New Testament bi anka no inti Tanakh no it consists 3 parts omo the Torah, the Nevi'im and the Ketuvim. Torah ne ye ambra na Nyankopon de mo ana Torah no se wo tu ye wo oral laws and written laws. Written laws ne dia egu Bible no 613 ana oral laws no eye dia over Talmud no ya fa no ntinche ana Torah no so omo Torah no mo gidi say Nyankopon asam and the book of the prophets the book of the prophets no omo friend na him and the writings ya fa no Ketuvim and the Torah no the Torah na 5 books omo to the 5 books of Moses by him Moses natural Torah me Genesis ya friend Bereshit Exodus ya friend Shemot Numbers ya friend Leviticus ya friend Wahikra and Numbers ya friend Midbar and Deuteronomy ya friend Devarim omo friend Deuteronomy Devarim into omo book ni sanete no omo book no ayo omo nkoa omo book ensa say omo de church wi ase na say yembeji ni nti jiwu ni bia nkokoro bia aso say okoprichi say omo nsakra mbadwan na omo so ansa no omo yankwaje jiwu fo no kwa say wo ya mama mu ni ade ni ansa obaye de etene na obo yankwa omo concept sanete nti omo de no omo mfa medicine wi ase eye Christianity and Islam no omo de medicine wi ase na nti she Christianity how Christianity started is almost the Old Testament no no mo pick verses no mo invented Jesus out of the Old Testament as I see should be make say Jesus be amba wiase da the New Testament was invented out of the mythological characters Zeus, Krishna, Horism, and the characters in the Old Testament no they invented Jesus be amba wiase da we so for na malam na de make na wonte ase a yantena se no book ni yanhwem se Nyankopon asama na nti omo invente ono mo de badada wiase sha ade ni fa na se wo de ka we edwuma who do edwuma na say oh boss what can obi betu whether you know the person or you don't know the person you will love the person that's how it is nti Jesus ye be wiase no na ye beti say zi ni pe bia be wiase na ye bone a ye bedi no we be wudi no mo ja papa ye bone ya nkwaje free pacho who want to like this person no but enya no kore we aso obi nwunje obi sabo ya bone a ye chewo papa eyeye why ya bone ngo na ese chewo what I say to mo de badadan edidimu na New Testament no de to mo de badadan na ni simple clue wo study New Testament na sa wo kan start wo kan Bible no na wo do Matthew na wo kan be say start quote Old Testament be quote be akwa check wo sofo we betima check New Testament quotation ba kokora wo Old Testament e no kora no wo sa sofo no medi wechi akwasanka we ya mala me throw challenge wo betima check me nkom sha ba kwa Jesus afofele wo Old Testament we ya sofo be throw challenge wo betima check me nkom sha ba kwa Jesus afofele wo Old Testament me medi wedi and that Jesus never fulfilled even a single prophecy in the Old Testament a invention or what about that before Muma in the Quran no say the same thing. Who can kind Quran? No say Quran. Allah ne the buy. Allah me or the Quran no some the buy. True angel Gabriel no the Quran na buy. Quran no almost a pure mistake be him. But Quran no mistakes be won. Mistakes be Quran mistakes be anya ba ko yemi nu yemi nsa bebre adenti na buka efri Yankopon chen mistake wo inti Quran ankasa wo Quran chapter 11 verse 13 say Quran no obi ka che prophet Muhammad say Allah kan Yankopon kan Quran no say so obi ka che prophet Muhammad say Quran no prophet Muhammad no na wakote bebi na wakofoje a onkofa sura 10 ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔfɔgye ɔnkɔ formula me wo sura 10 wo malama wo bɛhwɛ video na wonte ase no sura 10 me wo more than 10 kra ɔfɔgye free Old Testament and New Testament ɔfɔgye ye forgery stories and we can kind Quran chapter 4 verse 82 or sister book way Quran way in free yankopon and ka wo contradiction nti kyerɛ sɛ wo contradiction and some ebue bere wo mpe contradiction means contradiction ni fa ne sɛ ma ka sɛ midi 20 years ana me wo me first born ana ma sɛ aka sɛ oh midi 23 years ana me wo me first born ma contradict me just say 2 a contradict we see 20 years and all first born we see 23 a contradict into yentro into Quran no crack say Allah say free yankopon a wo be hu say contradiction wo a wo say wo yon ko fo no hwehwem you sadwe ne yankopon de am no contradiction fabra enti me ma hwehwem contradictions bebregu into we malama we yenye bufu books ni check sa malam wo kira me say ade na contradiction na manti ase ya me magiatum na me bedi wochi me nisum biemu ma asesa sum bebre me ma asesa me sum bebre ti me asesa me sum a me nsuro ade no mo da bada adan nti wo ye kremoni wo ye kristoni wo ye jiwuni ampachaw yentena se ye yiye bibifo no religion na ma ebibifo yentumi develop religion na papa ye mu kremofo jiwfo in everything religious na de papa mu aba everything religious na de papa mu aba black stars you bet me in Kremoni wom you bet me a Christian wom you bet me a Jew wom because it is a team they will all unite to achieve one aim but when it comes to religion not division aba nti before say ye kan bom enyantokwa book ne yan check book no say free yankopon na ya jatum free yankopon na ya to atwe ne ebi na before ya tena se na ya dwen yan hu na ya bobra ya use adwen na yankopon de man yan no ya de develop ye man Yankupon where you say that is the biggest mistake Africans here. Yankupon and by you say Yansumun. Are there Yankupon the mind or catching the person you Young fans have religion crying okay. Waba Adam, make a say Christian and angry money. Yankupon Abba Adam, religion tells Adam no your first man and Yankupon born. Into Oba Adam or catch Adam's own soon. One can or your first person. Or catch any say. Mun dia asase wiase nyoma nyina so mun mundo na mun hya asase suma after no nimpa ba ye bone no kra no de no ka kire nimpa wan kan kire nimpa ba ye bone no well omo de bonsam jem kra da san be mu na nyan ena na ma nimpa be akwahye isumu no because oji onim say sawanji prophet Muhammad ndi ana wanji Jesus ndi ankwawe na man kono me moja da chi yankopɔ de na betu jebim na wahye no it is never true Adam ye bone what you say yankopon say hey Adam bani awa yenti meshew debi yankopon say bani awa yenti wo bebele bela na obebele na yebere ben e asase so wo bebele ansa na wedi wo besem woni fifiri nti nim fifiri a wo besen wo besa ansa na wedi di na bi ni wo besi dan wo betoka wo bewale wo behwa wo yele wo bedo wo bedua banchi wo beye carpenteri wo beye mason e yedwuma wo besem fifiri ansa na wedi that is the purpose of creation. That is the purpose of creation. Yankopon boy is to procreate. Yam baye wiase we a better place. Yam Adam ye bone Yankopon ankasa obehye ne baby a. Only if na no or one cry Yankopon ankasa obehye no. Or one so obansam kra. Yankopon ankasa obehye no. Adentina oh the whole Old Testament. Baby enu Yankopon ka say judgment day obehye nipa forever and ever. We are suffer, we are malam. What we to quote quotation, bonsam gem quotation. E Old Testament made which enim when we say Jew for book no Jew for history book nti bonsam je masem bi enim but omu invent here omu bi invent Christianity omu pese je GD force nti na omu de hunu na bonsam je mini na manema ni shemu se yem ba jindi na ya jindi a da chi kuro bi wo a eyihu ye fe bonsam je ma nimpa beko enye no kore na Quran so by the same thing one ji Quran ndi Quran ko de ehu che Bible Quran ko ehu che New Testament one ji prophet Muhammad ndi so commission of free yankopon a yankopon be show forever be show na wa show forever and ever ow we yan no kore enye no kore nti yesram ebibifo mama yen kambom na yen je oman ni yi hwe wiase na da ono ense yo ebibifo wiase no ense ya broni na baba chobuka ba ka che wiase na be say nti forget wiase yen fa nko bebia broni no de Bible be wo say wiase yen fa nko bebia no konukrom kohye se wiase yen fa nko bebia wo ko no kroma wo bre France and wo brands and wa ko kromo no no the book abra wo say the book 300,000 Quran mpo de enton na kenkan free ko heaven free base ko heaven agro bi na ebi before yedi agro bi na yedi ntimi da mase video we mo share video no why Christianity and Islam was invented mo share video no nje Yankopon asem bia Quran na Bible ni na Yankopon asem mo de badada yan Quran na Bible ni na Yankopon asem mo de badada yan ebi before ya bre na religious books ti mo share video no why Islam de mase